Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use digital well-being and parental controls on your MOTOROLA Moto G10. To check your digital well-being, open Settings and then scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls menu. Open it, and here you'll be able to check your digital well-being tools and the data of usage of this device. You can also see the dashboard and set the timers for applications in here. To set a timer for an application, you just have to select an application from the list and then tap app timer and set a timer for your app, then tap OK. And here you can also manage notifications for this app. Now, if you want to set up a bedtime mode, go right here and then tap next. Then either base your bedtime mode on your schedule or enable it when you start charging your smartphone after 10 p.m. or if you want to change the time, you can tap right here and change the start time and the end time of your bedtime. Then tap done. Now if you want to additionally customize bedtime mode, tap customize and then here choose what you want to enable and what you don't want to enable. So for example, the do not disturb mode will be enabled automatically once the bedtime mode is active. If you want to disable do not disturb during bedtime, switch the toggle to the left. The same with Grayscale, keeping the screen dark and turning off bedtime mode when you receive an alarm. And for focus mode, you just have to select distracting applications from this list. And to enable focus mode, either set a schedule by tapping right here, select days, start time and end time, and tap set, or tap turn on now. And if you want to turn it off, take a break or tap turn off now. Now if you want to set up parental controls, you have to either select your child from this list if you have your Google account added. If you have a Google account added and you have a child registered to your Google account, you will see your child here on the list. Or you can also select set up parental controls for another child. Either way, you will be transferred to Google Family Link application that you're gonna have to install from the Google Play Market. So right now, let's wait until this application is downloaded and installed. Then open it. Then select your Google account and tap continue. And here you can adjust the parental controls for your child's setting restrictions for Google Play, YouTube, Google Chrome, Google Search, Google Photos, locations. You can also adjust the screen time in here and the location tracking. Now if you want to change if you want to add a child, tap right here and then select add child and then proceed by adding a new child's account. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.